Birth is the sudden opening of a window through which you look out upon a stupendous prospect for what has happened. A miracle? You have exchanged nothing for the possibility of everything. Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to the Narendra Kaur Show, the lighthouse for women who sail through heavy storms. This exclusive show is all about soul awakening, stories of global women, and helping other women to look at the opportunities and see the miracle in themselves. So, hi, my name is Narendra Kaur. As I told you earlier, I'm the author of the book, The Phoenix from Ashes to Rebirth, and I'm on a mission to help millions of women to specifically raise the phoenix in themselves and to live a dignified and supremely empowered life with healthy self esteem. Today, I have the honor of welcoming Nirmit Sinha Goyal. So, when I was reading her story and I was going through, so I was literally so astonished to read her story, and I called up at the same moment to her, and I wanted to say that you are actually a miracle mom. So the word what expresses what is meant for her is she's a miracle mom, she's a motivational guru, she's an author, she's a life coach, she's a parenting expert, and she is the vice president of Wiki Karnataka State. So let's welcome Nirmit Sinha Goyal on board. Hi, Nirmit, how are you?
Hi. Thank you so much. It's an honor to be in this platform with you. And you yourself, I'm so inspired by you. So this is definitely, I think, a mutual admiration society here going on.
So Nirmit has done so much, and Nirmit is MBA from SP Jain College from Delhi, right? Am I right?
No, that's Mumbai.
That's Mumbai. Okay. So Nirmit has shifted to Bangalore just now, and otherwise she was in Delhi earlier. And then her background is it's very amazing, and how she has raised her daughter of when she got to know about her this experience. Let's listen from Nirmit itself how the journey has went through and how she has raised her bars and came out as a miracle mom. So Nirmit, can
Thank you
we
so much.
know about yourself?
Okay, so life was going on normal after graduating from after doing MBA from SP Jain. I started working in the corporate sector, and the career was flourishing. And within 3 months, I was the reports manager, and so I was doing very well. And my first daughter was born. And after I took a sabbatical after her birth, and then in that meantime, I did landmark also. So the sabbatical I used. And what happened was after that, I started working again as general manager in youth education. That's MBA Guru. So that used to train students for MBA entrance. So there, my journey of as a motivational guru started because I was, though I was general manager marketing and new product development and head of IT department, because that was a time when MBA was going online. The MBA entrance exam CAT was going online. So that was the case. But what happens is the entire career of all the students is dependent on one exam, that is CAT. So
Right.
that's a lot of stress. So
Hmm.
I started taking motivational sessions for them. And it turned out that, I was good at that. And so my motivational sessions, the area of that increased. And I started taking motivational sessions in various colleges of DU, like Miranda House and Deen Dayal Upadhyay, and various engineering colleges
Mm-hmm.
around NCR, Delhi NCR.
Okay.
So all those places. So that is how I got my voice so strong. I can, actually speak without mic in a full auditorium, and my voice will reach the, farthest corner. So that is how I started into this journey of motivational guru. And here I realized that, mentoring and motivational comes quite naturally to me. But the story turned when my second daughter was born, and she was born with hearing loss. So that is when the whole thing transformed. I left my job. I stopped working because this was something I didn't know about. I mean, nobody knows. It was a big shock. It is like, पैर के नीचे से जमीन निकल गई, something like that.
Great.
So that was such a big shock, and we have no history of such a thing. So I've never seen something like this. So third day after pregnancy, after delivery, I was sitting in front of the laptop trying to understand what is all this about. And this is how the journey started. So, we have those 5 stages of grief.
Yes.
So in that, that denial and anger and extreme sadness, and then it comes again, why me, that kind of a question, and then acceptance. So what happens is generally is that, the smaller the other stages are, the better it is.
Correct.
The faster you accept it, only then you can do something about it.
Very true.
So this is how it started. And then when initially I also was in a state of denial and can't accept what is happening, and it was partial loss. So it was like disbelief. हाँ सुनती तो है. Some people were saying like everybody, doctors ऐसे ही बोलते हैं and all such things. It is not possible. ठीक है, थोड़ी सी premature है, develop होने दो. I lost a lot of time in all this. So she started hearing her first sounds at the age of 2.5 years. Now I wanted to mainstream her in a regular English medium school, and I just want a 5-year-old child sitting in a 3-year-old class doing activities meant for a 3-year-old. So this is how. So then I had no time. Child starts listening from the womb, and when she starts listening from the womb, by 3 years, when the child goes to school, then he is school ready to at least understand things. Now my child started hearing at the age of 2.5 years. So I had just 1 year to get her school ready. Now, so this is, so then I, tried a lot of things, and that is how I started making experience books. And every day, whatever she used to do throughout the day, I used to go on clicking pictures, and then I would had a tie up with a photographer who would give me prints in 1 hour. So every day, the same day, I would get the prints, and when my child was sleeping, that time I would make the experience book. And I used to write, handwritten, all of them. So I used to write whatever vocabulary I wanted to give it to her. Now what happens is, when you have books, children go through books, they'll see it once or maybe twice. Then they won't look at the book.
Correct.
But they always look at their albums. They love to look at their own pictures. So that is the point I used so that she gets hooked onto it, and she gets those vocabulary. So whether I read it to her, or my husband, or my elder daughter, or anybody else in the family, or chachi, chacha, anybody, they would give the same vocabulary. So repetition is very important for vocabulary development.
Right.
So with this technique, she was school ready in 1 year. What happens in a normal growth in 3.5 years. So this is the language development and the vocabulary development was this much, that she could go in the right school. So she was mainstream at the right age.
Okay.
So this is how it happened. And then it is like, when you have a child like this, every day is a challenge. Every day something or the other throws up. Now what happens is, either you can look at it as an issue, or you can look at it as an opportunity.
Opportunity. Very true. Very true.
So instead of looking at it as an issue, I started looking at it as an opportunity. So everything that showed up, it was an opportunity to go to the next level. Okay, fine. है ये, अब करना क्या है, वो सोचना है. So I used to go with targets in my mind, and somehow I developed that kind of a skill that any target I can make it into a game. So it so happened that like in class, I'll give you an example. In class 1, like she was struggling with math. So my husband is very good in math. So I said, इतना सारा मुझे ही पढ़ाना पड़ता है, कुछ तो उसको बच्चे को भी चेंज होना चाहिए ना, कोई और तो पढ़ाना चाहिए थोड़ा बहुत.
बिल्कुल.
So you take
बच्चों को भी.
math. And after that, he used to say that कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, इसको क्यों नहीं आ रहा है ये इतनी सिंपल सी चीज. डॉक्टर को दिखाए क्या. So I said, let me look at it again. And so I kept breaking down into, lower level. And finally, in that same year, by the end of class 1, math was her strongest subject.
Wow. Okay.
So this is the whole journey. And, I use like simple thing. I'll give you an example. Like she was not able to understand word problems. किससे क्या subtract करना है, किससे क्या add करना है. She was not able to understand. I use Jenga blocks. Jenga blocks.
Achha,
I would make a tower, I make a tower, and which one is taller? How much taller is this? So, with that help, and slowly she started getting it. So this is how, and then I planned, the biggest worry of a parent is the future of the child.
Very true.
इसका future क्या होगा? So this is the biggest thing. And so when, instead of worrying for the future, you can, you have this option that, you have to start working on it.
Yes.
So this is what I did. Like I am good at public speaking. My elder daughter is very good in public speaking. And so she actually told me, Mama, इसका कभी बात नहीं कर पाएगी, मतलब इस तरह से public speaking नहीं कर पाएगी हमारी तरह. So I said, let us see how it goes. But then you don't have to, look. You don't have to look for the, standard ways. So I tried coding with her. Actually, I was searching it for my brother's son, and then what happened is I saw him and they said, okay, small children can also do. So I started training her. I used to sit with her because digital sound is a problem.
Right.
And I also learned coding along with her, and both of us we enjoy. And just last year there was a digital literacy championship in her school, and there, from class 4 to class 12, all of them they compete. And she, being in class 4, she won the digital literacy championship in app designing. So I'm just trying to say the point that, it is not about worrying. You have to look for options.
Beautiful.
So this is how the journey. So every day we take every day as, the next day. Challenges come.
Yeah, challenges come, and it's up to us whether we look at the problems or whether we look out the opportunities, what we can get from it. So her mission is to help parents to skyrocket their parenting journeys from managed to miracles, from somehow managing their kids to creating miracles. That's very beautiful, and you are helping a lot of parents, and a lot of parents wants to listen to you. In fact, because you have done miracle. And you are a miracle mom, so I think a lot of parents are waiting for you that how you are doing it. And she also stands for the cause of women. There's a lot of work being done. There's a lot of work being done for the upliftment of women who are downtrodden or visibly going through adversities, but there is a big section of women who are supposedly happy and not to fall in the bracket of upliftment. And her mission is to help to take them to the next level of self-esteem. Oh, wow. Confidence and self-respect and real happiness. That's what I really love it. That's because that's what I do as well. Same thing. So the concept behind and the experience, what you are going through, and she has written a very interesting book name is My Experience with Zoo. That's a lot of like that's a very catchy name, and that's a beautiful name, My Experience with Zoo. So tell us something about your experience with Zoo, Nirmit.
So what happened is as I told you, I started making experience books, and then her therapist and her my mentor, another she's the director of Hear Me Speak, Ritu Nakara. So they used to call me to share with other parents what I did with my child. You can also do it. So by that time I had a suitcase full of experience books. because every day if you're making experience books, then I used to carry my whole entire suitcase and I used to show parents. I used to tell them what to do, what not to do, and they said this is all very nice, but we can't do it.
Right.
So why don't you publish your books? Why don't you publish your books? So this is how I published one of the books. And those for parents who are watching who have children with hearing loss, my advice to you is we need to teach our children everything. 95% of the language is developed from incidental hearing, but our children need to be taught because hearing is not natural for them.
Very true.
They are very happy in their bliss of not hearing. So it has
Right.
to be taught to them. So everything. So I used to call children to my home for play, and of her age, I used to keep, even in park, everywhere, I used to keep observing what they are
Wow.
speaking, what kind of language they are speaking. So one
Right.
our neighbor, she came and both of them were making with blocks. So my daughter said, no, I made a house. And she said, ये first floor है, ये balcony है. So I said, oh, now I have to start giving her this language that, balcony, first floor. I'm like very happy with house banaya, तो house ही house चले जा रहा है. So it is like, you have to constantly, another friend of hers, we used to say, I'm watching phone. And then the other friend of hers is saying, WhatsApp पे आया है, YouTube लगाते हैं. So I said, oh, now I have to give her all this vocabulary also. So we as parents, you have to, keep on observing what is going on, and then you keep on doing it with your child, teaching your child. So this is my advice for them. Coming to this Experienceopedia, this is how my brand came, because
Yes.
every experience is an opportunity to give as much knowledge as there is in an encyclopedia.
Right. Wow.
But we miss these opportunities. Now I'll give you a simple example. Like when we all take our children to zoo. Zoo to sabko hi leke hi jata hai.
So her Instagram
Everybody
profile name is Experienceopedia. People just remember that because she is doing so much and beautiful things she is doing on Instagram, and this her channel's name is Experienceopedia, right? Okay.
Experienceopedia.
Yes.
Okay, so this is how, so everybody takes a child to the zoo, but maximum what do we do? ये देखो lion, ये देखो tiger, ये देखो monkey, बस ये करके आ जाते हैं. And then child goes to the school, and then he learns animal sounds, then he learns young ones, then he learns, literally drilling. Tiger का tigress होता है, female gender,
Right.
collective noun, habitat, predators, prey, everything they learn, like,
Yeah.
a syllabus, sort of, as a pressure. Then all this can be given so easily when the child goes to the zoo.
True.
So this is what I've done. I've shown you in this book. I'll just show it to you. So this is, and it is not compartmentalized. The knowledge, how it is given, it is compartmentalized this way. Animal sounds, तो सारे animals के sounds रटे जा रहे हैं हम लोग. फिर उसके बाद female gender कर रहे हैं, सारे female gender रटे जा रहे हैं. But that is not whole. Whole is, एक tiger लेके चले, उसकी पूरी story. तो उसमें सब कुछ हो, जैसे उसकी young ones को क्या बोलते हैं, तो female gender को क्या बोलते हैं, सब कुछ आ जाए. So what I've done is, I'll show you. This is my book, and in this, now what happens is, this is the place where when you go, you click. We all click pictures of our children, okay?
Yes, true.
So when you click that picture, that is how, the child has seen a tiger. Now there are so many pictures of tigers, but child doesn't relate to that. Child relates to the one who he has seen.
Correct.
So those days, अब तो सब कुछ online हो जाता है, camera वगैरह पे. But those days, I used to, sit with the photographer and get it blended, because उसकी tiger की picture लिए वही वाली जो उसने देखा है, and उसकी जब वो zoo गई थी, and then उसको blend करके यहाँ पे लगाया था. So this is how, these are all the facts, and a lot of thinking skills kind of things are there. And then this is the 2-page story, just 2 pages.
Okay.
And this has everything. If the child knows these 2 pages, child knows everything about the tiger.
Right.
Even the adults don't know so much. इतना उसको पता चल जाएगा. And he'll remember because it's in the form of the story. Now there are a lot of animal stories, but fact-based नहीं होती कोई. They're all fictional stories. This is all fact-based.
That's all fact. Very true. So then you read that what you have written and about. Can you please read that for us?
Okay,
Some lines
I'll
of
read.
that.
Okay,
Yeah.
so the tiger, when I'll read it to you,
Hmm.
tiger cub learns to hunt. Okay,
Okay.
so Tiggy, Leppy, and Cheety. They are cubs of tigers, leopard, and cheetah. Were good friends and used to play together. Now, I have not written that tiger's young one is called cub. It comes in the form of a story, so the child already
Hmm.
knows it's a cub.
Hmm. Right.
One day, Tiggy came to his mom crying non-stop, sob, sob, sob. The tigress snuggled him and asked what happened. So here the female gender is coming, tigress. The tigress snuggled him and asked what happened.
Hmm. Hmm.
Tiggy said, Leppy and Cheeky always tease me because I have stripes.
Hmm.
Why don't I have spots like them? Why do
Hmm.
tigers have stripes? I don't like my stripes. I want spots. The tigress smiled. She said, for camouflage. Camouflage? Now, don't restrict yourself to easy words. Give the
Hmm.
right
Hmm.
vocabulary.
Hmm.
So she said camouflage, and the child will remember this word, camouflage.
Yeah. Very true.
What's that? Inquired little Tiggy. Mama Tigress explained. Very soon you're going to be 5 months old, and I have to teach you how to hunt.
Hmm.
Now, a tigress teaches the cub to hunt when he is 5 years old, five
Right.
months old.
Hmm.
So this fact is coming in the form of the story. So very soon you're going to be 5 months old, and I have
Hmm.
to teach you how to hunt. I think it's
Right.
time to begin now. Wow, you'll take me hunting. Yippee. The
Hmm.
tigress continued. In the forest, the light filters through the trees, creating a shadow which
Hmm.
matches the stripe pattern of our fur, allowing us to blend into our environment. This way, we can sneak up on our prey without making him alert. So this is how white tiger has stripes.
Right.
And this is
Right.
how, so this, I'm giving all vocabulary of prey and
Wow.
all this. So that's amazing. Let's go.
That's beautiful.
Day is not a good time to hunt. Let's wait for the
Hmm.
sun to set. You might not have noticed, but we can see better in the dark. Now, a tiger can see better in the dark. Tiger hunts when the sun sets,
Right.
hunts in the dark.
Very
So we
true.
can spot the prey as well as the dangers more easily. So Tiggy
Right.
waited and waited and
Hmm.
waited. The hours just didn't seem to pass. It was his first time. He was too excited. Finally, the time came when the tigress and her cub left for hunting. Where shall we go? Little Tiggy was bubbling with curiosity. So I'm giving phrases like this,
Okay.
bubbling with curiosity. Near the water hole. The
Hmm.
alert child, the chances of our prey coming to drink water are very high. So the tiger, he hunts near the water hole.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Listen, use your outstanding hearing power. Now, the tiger's ears are very, very sharp.
Hmm. Hmm.
Listen to sounds of a prey approaching.
Hmm.
Yes, I can hear. A herd seems to be coming. A herd of deer, mom identified. So I'm giving the collective noun also, herd
Right.
of deer. Wait patiently till it comes closer.
Right.
Now spot an easy target and stalk it. Now a leopard, he hunts by pouncing, but
Hmm.
a tiger, he hunts by stalking it.
Right.
So this is the difference between their hunting. And stalk it. Hey, stalk that lamb. She's close enough now. Pounce and capture it. So I'm giving all the vocabulary. Stalking, pouncing, capturing.
That's
Piggy
nice.
pounced and held it tight with his claws. He beamed with pride. He returned home with a smile on his face. He
Hmm.
was glad he had stripes. So this is
Wow.
a small story of tiger. The same
That's
way it's like
wonderful.
for
We have
lion, for
written
all that.
beautiful stories for children, and those who are listening and people are saying always an inspiration. Wow. So you can contact her and for her book, and she gives amazing session to parents about the workshop. If I talk about manage to miracles, like what kind of a workshop it is for parents, can you please tell us about, can you throw some light on that?
Okay, so now the thing is the times have changed, and so our parenting also has to change. It cannot
Hmm.
remain the same way. People think, why parenting? Parenting में ऐसा क्या खास है? पर
Hmm.
पेरेंटिंग में इतना खास है because all the issues that we have today are because of some flaws in the parenting earlier.
Very
Now we
true.
all know that now, I'm not disregarding our
Yeah.
past generation. They didn't know about it.
Right.
They didn't know about it. So now the thing is, everybody knows that every child is very unique. Now every
Correct.
child is unique. Then this unique child needs unique parenting also.
Very true.
Parenting has nothing to do with the child. It has only to do with you. Now what happens, I find it very funny, mothers or, parents also, they keep on asking others for advice, tell something about my child. They go to the parent teacher meeting, ask the teacher. The teacher knows the child only for a limited period of time.
Hmm.
She doesn't do much. But
Right.
you know your child. You know, who is in the best position to, decide what is best for your child? You yourself. Empower yourself. So the parenting program is a 3-month program. Every weekend there's a master class, and there they go beautifully. We start from discovering your child. So what I did also, and the same thing I teach my clients also. You have to use your child's strengths to cover for child's weaknesses.
Right.
The biggest mistake that parents do, they focus on they see the mistakes, they see the weaknesses, but they don't use their strengths
Very true.
to cover this. So this is how it has to be done. And then see, the thing is, I've written a whole blog on customized parenting. So it is
Wonderful.
like this, that the whole world is going towards customized solutions. Everybody
Yes.
is giving you customized solutions.
True.
Your child is your only and most important product. And you have to
Accept. Yeah.
customize your if you really want miracles in your child's life, customize your parenting for your
Wow.
child. So this is what I do. I'll give you a small example.
Yeah.
Now all companies, they do their media planning. So if the product is a rural product, how will they advertise? Will they advertise on FM? Will they advertise on FM? No. The product is a rural product. So they don't,
Right.
it doesn't matter. They won't,
True.
FM is waste of money for them.
That's
They
true.
would have to, advertise on wall paintings.
Yes.
That happens in rural areas.
Right.
So it's the same way, the way the companies, they do their media planning, the same way you need to do in the 8th session we do it. The 8th masterclass is on this. It's a beautiful masterclass when parents, they all design, the whole thing of their child based on his strengths and his weaknesses and what they need to cover up, what is going to be their trump card, that way. So they design what classes I want, how I have to develop this, how I have to, work on this area. So this is a very, very customized plan each and every parent makes. And that's a beautiful session. That is my favorite session.
So parents who are listening and who will share with you and must join class for parents, because that's a wonderful thing she is teaching to the parents. So it's a beautiful thing to join. And tell us about your workshop on women to help them to uplift their self-esteem and confidence. What do you do in that, and how do you do that?
Okay, so women actually, there's a lot of women who face issues like, major issues, and there's a lot of NGOs working on that, and there are various organizations, uplifting them. But there's a big strata of women who are supposedly happy.
Correct.
People will say that you have a nice husband, you have a nice family, you have money, everything. Why are you, you have every reason to be happy, but they're not happy.
Very true.
Something, they're living a very, very compromised life. So women are basically, they are more intelligent. Any result you see, the toppers will be women. Then, two major changes that come in their life is their marriage and childbirth. And she goes in a culture shock. It is not that, this is better or that is better. It is not that people are out to, sataify her, but it is that, she is facing this culture shock.
Very true.
And she cannot, she's going on adjusting. We especially Indian women, we are raised that you need to adjust, you have to look after everybody, you have to, sacrifice. If the woman sacrifices, it's okay. She's supposed to do that, but if she
Yeah.
doesn't sacrifice, she's the bad one. So it is never a good thing for her.
That's already
Never
faded
ever.
in their mind since birth,
Yes,
no?
yes.
That is the
So
issue.
somewhere they start losing themselves, that is
Hmm.
the happens. So supposedly they'll say you have everything, you should be happy, but
Hmm.
it is not that way. They're losing themselves. They're not themselves.
True.
Even if you see women, they have achieved things, but still
Hmm.
somewhere they have lost themselves.
Hmm.
So this
Very
is
true.
where I come in, and so this program starts with the masterclass. It's a monthly program. So
Okay.
every month it starts. So we registration are on for June batch. So this year there's a masterclass, and then there are videos which are
Okay.
sent. So what happens is by day 5 or 6, the women they feel I've got very good results. They're like just
Okay.
completely out of it. They're happy. By
Very
day
good.
15, 16, they have nothing more to ask कि भाई जो
हाँ,
कुछ भी चाहते थे वो सारा मिल गया.
क्या बात
And
है.
उसके बाद बाकी के दिन क्या होगा, we really want to know, that kind of a thing. So that
Wow.
impact is there, and this gives me a lot of pleasure when they come out of
Wow.
it.
Okay.
And I really want to share one thing with you. Just yesterday
हाँ.
I got this message.
हाँ.
One lady, she was doing this March batch,
Okay.
and she had done till day 18, and after that she tested COVID positive.
अच्छा.
And so she had to be hospitalized. It was a bad phase. So just yesterday she messaged to me that your sessions up to day 18, what I
Hmm.
took, they are helping me recover from the aftermath of COVID.
Okay.
It was such a bad phase, and now these sessions I am doing again. Also, I'm
Hmm.
going through it again, and it is
Hmm.
helping me. It is, bringing positivity inside me, and it is helping me recover. So
Hmm.
this was something very new. I also didn't know that my program would have this kind of an
Hmm.
effect, and it was. I really wanted to share it today. So it's like
Beautiful.
it is a good life that you start living.
Wow, that's nice. So, positivity, my choice. It's my choice. It's also in my DNA. So, can you please tell us, because people are asking me. She has started this series of positivity, my choice. I would like to know about that. What is positivity, my choice for you?
Okay, so what I was observing that due to this pandemic, people are losing their near and dear ones. People are,
Hmm.
struggling for beds, oxygen, and having
Hmm.
a very bad phase. And a lot of negativity is there,
Hmm.
in the news. Media that thrives on negativity.
Hmm.
Forget that. But even if you open WhatsApp, even your family groups, people are looking for
Yeah.
oxygen cylinder. So it's a very very depressing kind of a feeling.
Hmm.
Now
True.
what happens is if somebody who has been hearing bad news, okay, this person he got COVID, he died. That person got admitted to a hospital and he died. And all such things. So when the COVID happens to him, he
Hmm.
is not in a very positive state. Okay, I'll fight it back.
Hmm.
क्योंकि उसने इतनी सारी negative news has gone into his subconscious mind that
Hmm.
that starts playing,
Hmm.
and it's very difficult for them to recover. So we have to instill positivity as much as possible,
Right.
and it has to be generated from inside. If you think it will come from outside, it will not. It will not. So you
So
have to. So
people are
this is
saying
the
same lines.
first.
How do you like? You have given some on this masterclass or something like that on positivity, my choice. How this tagline has come and how it has been started the
So
journey.
I wanted a new. This is kind of a drive or a campaign sort of. So I wanted a new name for it. So that is positivity, Mary choice, because
Okay.
positive my choice is already taken. So that hashtag is now
Okay.
mine.
Cool.
So it is positivity, Mary choice. So it will be in 3 parts. So one is I will be giving tips
Uh-huh.
regularly. I'll
Acha.
be
Okay.
sharing people's stories also on this. And the
Hmm.
third part is interview series, where I'll be
Acha.
calling experts, and
Mm-hmm.
they will share how, by making small changes in your lifestyle and in your food or environment, you
Hmm.
can, build positivity.
Right. Very good.
So this is the 3 parts. So I've already shot one. So
Hashtag
uh,
positivity, Mary choice. Rishika Goyal. Thank you, Rishika, So it's your hashtag positivity, my very choice. So people use the hashtag. She'll give a shout out.
Sure. I just really want, people, things are there like this. It's okay.
Very good.
You can't do about it. Life doesn't give you choice.
Yes,
Life gives you,
exactly.
pandemic, take it.
Yes,
And if you
the whole
choose
of the
it, you choose
scenario
it.
has been
And
changed now.
yes,
Whatever we like right now, we don't have any other choice if we don't look at the positive side, because otherwise in the whole world just talk of covid is going on, but you have to balance yourself, you have to make yourself so strong and so positive so that it cannot affect you, your body, your
yes,
energies. And
absolutely.
yes, it's very important. So, people call you motivational guru. So, can you tell us motivational guru is what is the motivational guru, and tell us
So
about
that
that?
motivational guru tag came, in those days when I was taking motivational sessions for
Hmm.
CAT students and then the college students. So
Hmm.
that is how, and I don't know why people see a lot of positivity in my aura,
Hmm.
and I actually believe in it and I practice it, and so that shows on my face, on everywhere. And I really feel that positivity is something, it comes from inside and it can be
Very true.
generated by design, by choice, and right
True.
now, right here, like this. So it's
Very
not that
true.
you don't have to wait. If you think, see, the thing is, either you are complaining
Hmm.
or you are accepting what is there, the circumstances, and doing some, taking action and doing something about it.
Very
So
true.
I believe, as I told earlier also, that every issue is actually an opportunity.
Hmm.
Like if I see this pandemic, I'll say,
Hmm.
what is this opportunity in this pandemic? Now this pandemic, okay, it has shown us, the importance of, first of all, everybody has become very, very health conscious.
Hmm.
Second thing is, so I'm not saying that you become health conscious with the fear of pandemic कि मैं अगर
Hmm.
health का ख्याल नहीं रखूंगी, अगर मैं काढ़ा नहीं पीऊंगी, मैं हल्दी
Hmm.
नहीं पीऊंगी, मैं चीनी नहीं लूंगी तो मेरे को कोविड हो जाएगा.
Hmm.
Not
Hmm.
with that fear in the
No.
background. That
True.
is an opportunity to make actual lifestyle changes. फिर उसके बाद
Very,
पैंडेमिक रहे ना रहे, ये लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस रहने चाहिए.
very true.
Because we have actually abused our bodies, we have abused our lifestyles,
Exactly.
and it's high time we understand. So आज हमें एक तरह से हम लोगों ने सबने मौत को बहुत करीब से देख लिया है.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
We have all lost our near and dear ones. हर एक ने कोई ना कोई तो खोया है.
Hmm.
Some relatives, some friends. It's so shocking when you hear, somebody, your classmate has
This
expired
COVID has
because of COVID.
taught us a very actually important lesson in life to first be healthy, happy, positive in every sense, and be with your loved ones and talk and think about life. And it's completely like it has changed our life. So the earlier ones, like we used to meet and we used to go and here, now it's all become digital, and how we are connecting with each other, how we are talking so positive things. So we have to actually learn from this, how we can stay positive, how we can come out from all the negativities, and think about the moment, to
So
live the
you
life
can you
to the
can
fullest.
see that you're confined to your house, you're
Hmm.
confined to your these boundaries, or you
Hmm.
can look at it that the world has become boundaryless.
Actually,
You are there in Delhi, I am here in Bangalore, somebody is there in UK, US, we are all
yeah,
connecting.
we are all
So
connected.
you
Yeah,
can look at it both ways. You
exactly.
can
Yeah,
see I'm confined to my home, or you can see that the whole world has become
we
boundaryless.
can look at the opportunities, how we got so many people all around the world on one platform together, and this is the opportunity we have got. Yeah, last like 2 days back, or like I got that interview done with the
Yes.
US lady. So I was see, I didn't know her, she didn't know me, somehow we got connected and I got interviewed on her TV channel. So this is how the opportunity came in my
Earlier, it would have been like this that some plan had to be made. You had to go to UK to be able to
exactly.
do such
Yeah.
things. It happened so
So
easily.
without any cost, we are doing everything right now on one platform and digitally. So what else we can ask for from God? Yeah. So He's
Yes.
offering us. He is giving us so many opportunities. Just grab it. It's the time to take that.
And
So
always,
Nirmit, hmm,
God, does two steps further, which we can't even think also.
exactly. We can't even. Very true. Very true. God has plans. He has already made the journey very beautifully, and just wait and watch that you will get your answer. You will get your answer. So let's do some quick questions from Nirmit, some fiery questions, which is some one word answers you have to give, Nirmit. So
Okay.
I'm putting it
This is the
on
scary part.
hot seat now.
Oh, God.
So what's the first thing you do in the morning?
Sudarshan Priya,
Sudarshan Kriya. Wow. So who is your biggest inspiration in life?
my dad,
Your dad. What do you think people notice most about you?
my smile.
Oh wow. Yes, beautiful smile. What's your biggest weakness?
My biggest weakness is I want to do so many things, and I don't sleep early. Though I've been trying. So all this work, when the daily chores are over, when everybody is sitting, sleeping in their bed, then I make my videos, my content. I know I am doing a damage to my body at that time because that is a time for sleep. But I am doing it. I am so passionate about it. I am a workaholic kind of a person.
Yes, I
मुझे
know.
काम करने बैठती हूँ ना मुझे
So your biggest
टाइम का
weakness,
अंदाजा ही नहीं
I would say
रहता.
one word is workaholic.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
perfect. So
yes.
what's your biggest strength?
My biggest strength is my positive mindset.
Wonderful. Positivity, meri choice.
Meri choice,
Yes.
by choice.
So, what do you like most about yourself?
I like. I'm always very happy, so I generally like this about myself. कि
Awesome,
कोई भी कुछ
awesome.
भी हो जाए बहुत थोड़े
Hmm.
समय के लिए मुझे अफेक्ट करता है एंड देन आई कैन गेट बैक टू दिस हैप्पी सेट.
That's how life is, and that's how you take life. Yeah, everyone should take life as that. It should not get affected to you the whole of your life. Just be in that moment and come out of it. Let go of that thing. Otherwise, you'll get stuck. So now, guys, we have 5 more minutes. If anybody has questions, any parents, any woman who wants to ask about the course, about parenting coach, about self-esteem course, please ask about any questions, whatever you have in mind. We are there for 5 more minutes, and before we end up, so we are waiting for your questions or
Another
any.
course which you've not mentioned that I have done started recently is Relationship Booster and
Okay.
Subconscious Mind. So these I've
Okay.
also picked up very well.
Uh-huh.
What happens is it's like relationship is a very big topic.
Hmm.
What I do is the scope of my workshop is what happens at the subconscious mind.
Right.
So generally, all my clients are very intelligent, very well read, and lots have been written. So when they come to me, they would have already tried all those things.
Hmm.
Now, what happens is individually one person is good here and the other person is also good, but whenever they meet, they end up in a clash. Now,
Hmm.
why this happens? What
Hmm.
happens?
Hmm.
Love is there, but something else is there. So, what is that
Hmm.
something? That is the subconscious mind.
Hmm. Hmm.
So,
Hmm. Hmm.
you can't blame anybody. It's because of you or because of you. Both of them don't know. It's nobody's
Hmm.
fault. Both of them don't know what is going on at the subconscious level. So that
Very true.
workshop I take. So that is also very this one. So if
Wonderful.
anybody is interested.
Awesome. So I think so. No questions right now. So people, you can straight away follow her for her courses. You can directly catch her on her Instagram profile, which is Experienceopedia.
EX
EXPERIENCE.
nahi hai. It's not starting with EX. It's
Ah,
starting with X.
it's starting with X.
XP.
It's Experienceopedia. Yeah, I'll also put it in my link. And then on YouTube channel, on Facebook, Nirmit Sinha Goyal. So you can catch her for the courses, for life coaching, anything you want to be there for, uh, any kind of a book, and you can ask for the book. Is it on Amazon or what? How
It
will
is on
you?
Amazon, Flipkart, ShopTools, or you can directly get it from the
Acha,
publisher. But now,
wonderful.
now it is showing out of stock because very limited items
Hmm.
have kept on Amazon. So if you want it, you can, connect with
You can
me.
DM
I
her.
will send
Yeah,
you a copy. Yeah,
perfect.
I will send you a copy. So just connect with me.
Awesome.
You can DM me at my phone number
Hmm.
817-846-2666.
Awesome. So it was great, great, great connecting
Could
with
you
you.
just
Yeah.
repeat this because I think my voice is echoing, so people maybe not understanding. So if you could just repeat this, that they can connect with me for this.
Yeah. So you can connect with Nirmit. I'll share her number on my Instagram and YouTube profile, and her Instagram profile as well. I'll share it on my Instagram so that you can connect with her about the course, about her book, and about her relationship, about self-esteem, or about parenting coaches. Right. So everything will be there on my Instagram and on her Instagram too. So you can connect with her anytime, whatever you want. So it was very, very nice, and I've got so much of learning from you, Nirmit, and it was really new for me for a parenting, if I talk about, and how you are doing it, such a booster program. So thank you so much for coming on my show, and I'm looking forward for other women who want to join in, and who wants to come on the platform. You will get the most of it. The moment you take responsibility for everything in your life is the moment you can change anything in your life. So, Nimit, that's for you. Thank you so much. And
Thank you so much, Narinder. It's a pleasure to be here, and it's an honor to be here and to connect with so many women and people and parents. We are there to serve you, both of us.
yeah, we are there to serve you. So, if you want to connect with me, yes, I do life coaching. I am also for women, and for self esteem, for as a self coach, as a life coach as well. So, you can connect one to one with me on my Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, and all the profiles are there. You can DM me directly, and we can serve you. Thank you so much. And thanks a lot for your time. Have a great day. Enjoy. Bye bye.
Bye
Take care.
bye.
Bye.
Thanks.
Take care. Bye bye.